Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what I have. I have the red template library from Crafter's Companion, which is the last one. It was supposed to be here last month, and it said it was delayed. And every time it says delayed, I worry that I'm not going to get it. And I have gotten all of them, but not without a lot of stress and worried that I wouldn't get it. And I know a lot of people, various ones were canceled. I don't know why. I don't get this whole auto ship, that I don't know. But this is it. This is the last one. I now have the complete set. I'm happy. And but I'm more happy that I don't have to worry about it anymore. So, so let's take a look at the recipe cards. I can't remember if this one's got, can't remember what this one's got in it, but let's make sure that you are seeing everything. Okay. Move that over a little bit. All right, so the first one is a fold flat tent card, which I like. And they have, I don't think the other ones have had a barcode on each page. Hold that thought. Let me go get the last one. Okay, so I'm right and I'm wrong. So all of them were blank. I mean, there's not this, except for the last one, which was the orange. And it does have this on every page, and that's sad because that would be great, and that's something that they should have had on all of them. It's sad that it's an afterthought for the last two auto ships. So we've got the fold tent card. It does say for detailed video guides, scan the QR code below. And then it has our instructions. Then we've got the square twist and fold card. The triple twisted easel card. Well, this is a little late. Well, it was supposed to be here in December, so I guess it's not late. This is the Christmas tree card, which is very cute. If I start now, I might be able to make a whole bunch of these for next Christmas. I wonder if it, nope, it doesn't come with a tag. Accordion card, love it. Folding heart, so cute. Triangular gift box. Napkin fold card. Triple pop-up cube card. This one looks like a lot of work. pillow gift boxes in 2 sizes. Diamond gatefold. I do love a gatefold like that. Pinwheel card. Exploding box base A. I have that whole exploding box kit that Sarah came out with several years ago as an auto ship. And I've only made 1 or 2 boxes with it. Exploding box inner pages. Inner pages and lid. And that's it. So the last, what, 3 or 4 in here are... So 13, 14, and 15 are all the exploding box. So I have to say, hold on, let me take this out, or you won't be able to hear me. Whoops. Now I hit the camera. So hold on. There we go. I think we're back. Good. All right. I was going to say that I have to say that a lot of the things in this template library over the last original plus 6 have been copies of dies. And I'm not sure if that's a good or a bad thing. You know, I don't know. I mean, it certainly is easier to take these if you go to a retreat. You don't have to take your machine and all your dies. But after all the money that has been spent on the dies, it's kind of sad. I don't know. But you know, I haven't used one of these, but I also haven't used any other dies that make any of these, so I guess it's, you know, it's not like I've been using them and I've got duplicates here. So now I guess depending on how I feel, you know, I could either take the easy way out or, you know, I've got 2 choices now. So, all right, so we've got our 1 through 12, or the smaller templates, and then the exploding box is on the bigger sheets this time. Comes with the tags, comes with 4 different tags and different layers. So we'll see. It's done. I'm happy. I don't have to worry about them anymore. And now my little organization thing is full. So that makes me happy. So I think I only have 2 more auto ships left, and they are both diamond press. There's the exploding box and the mixed media kits. There just hasn't been anything through anybody that I've had to have, and you know, that had an auto ship. There's a few here and there of just single items that I've purchased through HSN, but the auto ship program, just there hasn't been anything interesting that I really needed. So, which is a good thing in a way, because Lord knows I've got enough in here. And I don't need the stress of them maybe coming and maybe not coming. So let me know if you got your red template, if you have been able to complete your set. I know that probably in the next few weeks, they will have the red one on Crafter's Companion. But from what I understand, they sell out really quick. So if you're, for some reason, missing one, you might be able to pick it up. So, all right, so that's it. It's been fun and stressful all at the same time. So, all right, so leave me a comment. Let me know if this completes your set. Let me know what you've made from any of the libraries, and how easy or hard you thought it was to work with the templates. All right, so that's it. So thanks for stopping by and watching. If you have not subscribed, you can hit the subscribe button, and there's a bell. If you hit the bell, it will send you notifications. We are still chasing that elusive 500 subscriber number. So once we get there and we stay there, then I'll have a giveaway. Also hit the like button. The like button is the thumbs up. That goes, that does a lot for little subscribers. And, you know, I was watching Gina Cave live the other day, and she was talking about the importance of the thumbs up, even for her being a big channel, that it just, you know, helps out so much. So if it still helps out her as big as she is, then you can imagine how good it, you know, it helps us little ones. So if you could hit that thumbs up, it would be wonderful. All right, so that's it. Last one, Crafter's Companion template, library, red. I will miss getting them, but not the stress. All right, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, stay warm, and happy crafting. See you next time. Bye-bye.